Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some no-bake energy balls using ingredients that you can find at your local grocery store or you might already have in your pantry. They are packed with proteins and they are super easy to make and are extremely delicious. They hold together really well so can be easily taken along as a snack for school or work. To see how I make these energy balls, stay tuned. In a large mixing bowl, add all the ingredients together and stir until it's fully combined. Cover and allow to chill in the refrigerator for up to 1.5 to 2 hours. Once your dough is chilled, remove from the refrigerator and roll into little 1 tablespoon size or 1-inch balls. These can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or freeze for up to 3 months. And here you have it guys, super easy to make energy balls. These are also great as a pre-workout snack. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.